Bayaw, this is BAYAW DREX. Tatapos lang ng aming SOLIDWORKS online training workshop. We managed to cover topics from SOLIDWORKS Introduction, SOLIDWORKS Part 3D Modeling, and the SOLIDWORKS Drawing. Smooth naman yung day 1 namin. Nakakasabay yung mga participants. Ang pinaka-importante lang talaga dito sa day 1 mga bayaw ay maiintindihan natin dapat kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng design intent and the techniques on how to start sketching in proper way. At saka doon naman sa SOLIDWORKS Drawing, na-discuss din namin paano gumawa ng customized sheet format, how to link a specific property, how to import the 3D model, sama na rin paano mag-generate ng dimensions and annotations, and how to convert the SOLIDWORKS drawing file into PDF file format at basic level. At syempre, pagkatapos ng discussion ay nagbigay kami ng mga exercises para mas maging effective yung learnings ng mga participants as well as evaluating their each work. Abangan niyo yung part 2 content natin sa SOLIDWORKS online training. Pag-uusapan naman natin yung mga nangyari sa day 2. See you there mga bayaw!